and girls, welcome back to day 2, week 4. We're doing letters C and O today. Here we go. It's now time for drill sounds. We're going to start with the large sound cards. Excuse me. My turn, then your turn. Here we go. T, top, t. Good. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. M, man, m. N, nut, n. I, itch, I. U, up, C, cat, k. O, octopus, aw. Great job. Now let's do the standard cards, standard cell cards. Here we go. C, cat, k. O, octopus, aw. T, top, t. B, bat, b. F, fun, f. I, itch, I. U, up, M, man, m. N, nut, n. Good job. Now let's go back and we're going to do vowel extensions. Let's start with I, then we'll go to O, and then U. I, itch. Try it again. I, itch. One more time. I, itch. Let's do O. O, octopus. O, octopus. O, octopus. U, up. U, up. U, up. Great job. Okay, now we are going to practice writing the lowercase c, the little c. The little c is a plain line round letter, so we're going to start on the plain line and we're going to go round to the grass line. So let's get started. I'm going to sit in a nice writing position because I learned my mistake from yesterday. So we start at the plain line, we fly back, go around down to the grass line. C, cat, k. I'm going to try that again. We're going to go to the start on the plain line, fly backwards, go down and around to the grass line. C, cat, k. One more time. We're going to start on the plain line, fly back, go around down to the grass line. C, cat, k. Okay, now we're going to switch. We're going to do the vowel, the letter O. O is quite easy because you're just drawing a circle. But you just make sure you start on the plain line, you fly backwards, go around down to the grass line, go back up to the plain line. O, octopus, aw. Great, you start on the plain line, you fly backwards, go down and around to the grass line, and go back up to the plain line. O, octopus, aw. One more time. Start on the plain line, fly back down to the grass line, and go back up to the plain line. O, octopus, aw. Boys and girls, if you please send me a picture of that, and also send me a picture of your beautiful written C's like this. That way, you can make Mrs. Troman the happiest teacher in the world. Okay, boys and girls, it's now time for a little game. I'm going to give you a sound. You're going to repeat the sound. We'll do that twice, and then you write that letter that makes the sound on the board. You ready to give it a try? Here you go. It is a plain line letter. We just learned it, and the key word is cat. It's the letter C. C, cat, k. You start on the plain line, fly back, go down around to the grass line. Great job. Okay, next one. Aw, aw. It's a plain line letter. We learned it this week. It's a vowel, and the key word is octopus. Start on the plain line, fly back, go down around to the grass line, go back up to the plain line. O, octopus, ah, ciao. Okay, next one. T, t. It's a skyline letter. The key word is top, and it is the letter T. You start at the plain line, go down to the grass line, and fly on the plain line. T, top, t. B, b. It's a skyline letter. The key word is bat. Here we go. The letter is B. You start on the plain line, you go straight down to the grass line, you trace back up to the plain line and give B a belly. B, bat, B. Okay, next up. It's a skyline letter. The key word is fun. The letter is F. You fly back on the skyline, go straight down to the grass line, and cross on the plain line. F, fun. Good job. How you doing? All right, the next one. This is hard. It's a plain line letter. The key word is nut. The letter is N. You start on the plain line. You start on the plain line. I was right. You go down to the grass line. You trace back up to the plain line and give it a hump to the grass line. N, nut, All right. The next one. It's a plain line letter. The key word is man. And the letter is M. You start on the plain line. You go straight down to the grass line. You go back up to the plain line. You go one hump, trace back up, and give it another hump to the grass line. Oops, I went a little past the grass line there. M, man, Okay. And I want to do two vowels now. I gave you a hint. The first one is I. It's a plain line letter. It's a vowel. The key word is itch. The letter is I. Start in the plain line, go down to the grass line, lift and dot. I, itch, All right, the last one. No. Sorry. It's late. That's the plain line letter. Its keyword is up. The letter is U. You start in a plain line. You go down to the grass line, go round up to the plain line, and trace back down to the grass line. U, up, Very good. All right, boys and girls, that's all for today. I can't wait to see your letters C and O written on the grid, on the writing grid here. And I'll see you tomorrow. Great job.